What's up, guys? So there's a lot of different inventions out there to protect the side of your shoe from getting torn up when you're skating, but there's not a lot of inventions that also protect the sole of your shoe. So for me personally, I tear up the sole of my shoe. Like, I wear through the sole right in the ball of my foot or the big toe of my foot on the bottom of the shoe before I ever wear through the side of the shoe. A lot of that comes from just moving your feet around a lot on grip tape. So this is a little like a glove for your shoe that goes over the shoe, and it actually protects right in that spot where I always wear through the bottom of the shoe. So I'm gonna be testing these out. I got these about a year ago and I'm just now getting to make a video about it. So these things are pretty indestructible. The whole time I've been skating them, I haven't seen any wear on the side or on the bottom. I've seen reviews on these where people actually wore them for an entire year. The main problem I had with these is I have kind of a wide foot and they are really tight. They're really narrow. They really hold on to your shoe. So that's a good thing if you have a narrow foot, you know, they don't slide around. But if you have kind of a wider foot, it really kind of hurts your toes. And I know I saw Sam Tabor's review on these, and he actually said that they were tight on his feet like that too, so he cut a little slit. And I've seen his feet. They're very thin. So, you know, so I think they're tight on most everybody as far as the width. So I actually cut quite a bit off the side of these just to allow them to feel more comfortable on my feet and not press on my toe and cause blisters. But after I did that, it worked pretty good. Every review I've seen on these, they talk about them being tight. You know, Braille's video, Aaron Cairo actually breaks one of them because they're so tight on his feet. So they are made for a smaller foot, you know, something below a 10. If you wear like a 12, and even if you get the large, they're going to be kind of tight. So the rubber on these is a little bit grippier than suede. If you've ever skated with Chuck Taylors or any of those shoes with a toe cap, it feels kind of like that. It does change the flick a little bit and you have to get used to that, but it's not that bad. The worst part is it feels like you're standing on top of a thin layer of something that's slightly softer than your shoe. So I don't like having a thick sole. I don't like cup soles. I like a really thin sole. So with these, you kind of feel like you have a little bit thicker sole. Sometimes they grip a little too much. They're a little grippy on grip tape, but I feel like the grip is really good. The flick is good. The style, for me, I don't really like the way they look. I feel like if they looked black or they blended in with the shoe a little bit better, they might look a little bit better. They kind of remind me of something experimental that Nike would try to do. You know, like those Presto shoes or something with some weird plastic on it. It makes the shoe look more unique and more experimental, but it's not necessarily a good look in my opinion. They're really light. If you're somebody that doesn't pay a lot of attention to your shoes and your board, and you're not really particular about all that, you might not even notice you have them on. So all around, I would say this is a really good product. If you're somebody that tears up a lot of shoes and you don't have a lot of money, you could potentially put these over your shoes and wear them for a year, according to some reviews. So they work good. If you're interested in something like that, check them out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.
I like mom more. I like mom in a special way. I like mom in a special way. The streets are my inspiration. With my canvas, I go outside and I make music. As I walk down the street, I tap my feet are my instrument. As I walk down the street, I scratch my fingers. As I walk down the street, everyone. judge her by what she wears. They judge her by what she wears. They see her clothes and it defines her. Clothes and it defines her. Those who don't know you, those who don't know you, they see who you are. They see your outside appearance. Your outside appearance. They look at you and immediately judge you. Look at you and immediately judge who you are. Immediately before you tell them. Before you show them. Before you show them. Before you show them. Before you tell them. Show them. Show them. Before you tell them. Before you show them. Before you show them. Before you show them. Before you show them. Who you are. Who you are. They don't need you. They don't need you to show them who you are. They don't need you to tell them what you're about. They tell them what you're doing. All they need is your clothes. Extra clothes. You are what you are, you know. You are what you are. You are what you are, you know. You are what you are, you know. You are what you are, you know. You're not even worth my time. You're not even worth my time. Tear off the price tag. Tear off the price tag. Get a refund. Get a refund. Head down to aisle 3. Head down to aisle 3. Pick up some coconut oil. Pick up some coconut oil. Move up your brain a little bit. Move up your brain a little bit. Rapper.